Ever wondered if you could actually bypass the entire Google security infrastructure with just a few clicks? Most people think that once you lose your phone number and your recovery email, that Gmail account is gone forever. You've seen the account recovery screen. You felt that pit in your stomach when the verification code never arrives, and you've probably heard that without those two things, you're locked out for good. But what if I told you there's a hidden layer to the Google recovery protocol that most users never see? A method so specific that it bypasses the standard prompts entirely. Today we are diving into the 3 most effective ways to recover a Gmail password even if you have no phone, no backup email, and 0 access to your codes. This is how the experts handle it when everything else fails. Before we go any further, a massive disclaimer for everyone watching. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. The techniques discussed here are designed to help legitimate owners regain access to their own lost data. We do not advise, condone, or support anyone using the information in this video to infiltrate someone else's privacy or engage in any unauthorized activities. Security is a right, but so is privacy. Use this knowledge responsibly to secure your own digital life. Before we break down the first method, I have a quick question for you. What is the most important thing you have stored in your Gmail right now? Is it work documents, old photos, or maybe your banking info? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'm curious to see what's at stake for most of you. Also, if you're finding this helpful already, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Point Access Hacking. It helps the algorithm push this out to others who are currently locked out of their lives. Now, method number 1 involves the trusted device metadata loop. So, Google doesn't just track your password, it also keeps tabs on your digital fingerprint. Whenever you try to log in from a new device, the security gates basically slam shut. However, if you can access the internal G-static recovery URL from a device that's already logged into that account within the last 90 days, the system's AI will recognize the MAC address and hardware ID. To trigger this, you need to clear your browser cache, but leave your cookies intact. This creates what's called a soft-state login environment. By navigating to the specialized recovery portal, not the standard one, but the one hidden within the developer tools console, you can sometimes prompt the system to ask for a previous password instead of a verification code. This is the first step in the bypass, but it really requires perfect timing and, of course, the right hardware signature. If you're watching this and realizing your situation is a bit more complicated, or maybe you figured out you need a more professional touch, just remember, you don't have to do this alone. If you need the service of an ethical hacker, you can find links to contact certified experts in account recoveries, remote monitoring of your kids' devices for safety, and honestly, a lot more. All the professional tools and resources are waiting for you in the pinned comments and the video description below. These experts handle the technical heavy lifting, so you don't have to. Method number 2 is what we call the AR token injection. This one's a bit more advanced and, yeah, it requires you to understand how Google's account recovery tokens are generated. Every time you fail a login, a unique token gets stored in your temporary internet files. If you can intercept this token using a simple inspection of the network headers, you'll actually see the specific reason why the verification is failing. Usually, it's because of a mismatch in the IP geolocation. By using a dedicated proxy that matches your last successful login city, you can re-upload that AR token via a manual post request. This tricks the server into thinking the session was never interrupted. It's a strategy used by data recovery specialists to keep the session alive while the password reset link is generated in the background. It sounds complex because, well, it is, but it's the most reliable way to stay glued to the process without needing a phone number. Are you still with me? If this is starting to make sense, share this video with someone you know who is constantly forgetting their passwords. We all have that one friend. And hey, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a security update from us. The third and final method is the manual identity escalation. This is the ultimate fix when the automated systems fail. When you reach the try another way screen and it tells you it can't verify you, there is actually a manual review queue that you can trigger by inputting a specific string of old passwords in a descending chronological order. By providing the system with a history of your account's previous states, you are essentially training the AI to recognize your ownership pattern. This bypasses the need for a secondary device or a verification code because the knowledge-based authentication takes priority over two-factor authentication in high-level recovery scenarios. It's about proving who you are through what you know, rather than what you have in your hand. Remember, digital security is a marathon, not a sprint. Staying informed is your best defense against being locked out. If you need more advanced help, or if you're looking for ways to keep your family safe online through remote monitoring, check those links in the pinned comment. Our community of certified experts is there to help you navigate these digital hurdles safely and ethically. Thanks for watching Point Access Hacking. Stay secure, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.